Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and sometimes you really need a little extra security even with your bowls. So that's why I really like this JUCOXO Unbreakable plastic bowl. Now, the reason why I love this is that you can use this anywhere. You can use it outside, in your bedroom, in the living room, and you don't have to worry about if it does fall and make a spill, you don't have to worry about broken ceramic or pieces of glass that someone could accidentally step on. So it really gives you peace of mind. I've even thrown this down on the ground. It is very sturdy. It is really nice. The other reasons why I like this is because I like how deep it is. So sometimes you have bowls that almost look like plates with just a little bit of concave going on. So it's kind of hard to fit certain things like soup or something a little bit more hearty without, as you're scooping in, without it falling out and making a mess. So I really like the depth of this. It's easy to put a lot of stuff in without making a difficult time eating it. It's microwavable, it's dishwasher safe, it is a indestructible bowl. I think this is a great thing to have in your kitchen, especially if you have young ones in the house, or really anyone. I mean, anyone can drop a dish. So it's a nice thing to have, and that's my point of view.